Welcome to Clementon's tutorial where most calculations are done. In today's video, we're talking about we have this problem here to solve. It says solve by completing the square method. 3x squared plus 4x minus 15 equals to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation, and this method by completing the square method is one of the methods that students often scare away from because of its technicality, but it's actually very simple. Now, let's dive into this and follow the step-by-step approach. Alright, so with the solution, okay. Bringing down the question, 3x squared plus 4x minus 15 equal to 0. Now, first thing you have to do first is to cross this constant here. You have to cross the equality sign. That's the first step. Alright, so by doing that, you have 3x squared plus 4x equal to. Now, since there's a minus sign here, once this 15 cross the equality sign, is going to change to plus. So we have equal to 15. And in mathematics, once it's plus, you don't write it. But you know that there's a plus there. It's only minus that we write. Alright? So now the next step we want to do is to make is to make x squared unity. And by doing that, we want x squared to stand alone. Alright? We want x squared to stand alone. So by doing that, we divide through by the coefficient of x squared. Alright, we divide through by the coefficient of x squared that will make x squared unity. That is to say, we want x squared to stand alone. So we have 3x squared all over 3, right, plus 4x all over 3 equals to 15 all over 3. Now 3 and 3 will go, right? So we have x squared plus 4x all over 3 equals to 15 divided by 3. 15 will go into 3 5 times, so we have 5, alright? So now x squared is now unity, it's not standing alone. So the next step now, okay, add the square of half, the coefficients of x to both sides. Alright, okay, so by this, okay, now the coefficient of x here is 4 over 3, and the half of x, so let's go this way, half 4 all over 3, which is the coefficient of x. Now the half of it, you're going to multiply the half, which is 1 all over 2. 4 times 1 will give you 4. 3 times 2 will give you 6. Alright, you can further factor this out. Okay, 2 can go into 4, which is 6, which is 2. Alright, all over 2 going to 6 is 3. So you have 2 over 3. Alright, so and now we're going to square it. Alright, so from this say add the square of half the coefficient of x to both sides. So I'm going to add the square of half, which is the coefficient of x, to both sides of this equation. Add here and also to this other side. Alright, so we have x squared plus 4x all over 3 plus 2 all over 3 all squared equal to 5 plus 2 all over 3 all squared. Alright, so now at this point we have square here, we have square here. So what we do, we just write x, alright, take out x. Now I'm going to take what is here. Alright, so we have plus 2 all over 3. Now square it. You may be wondering why where the 4x all over 3 go to. Alright, with what you just did, you just factor this out. If you further expand this, you are going to get back this. If you further expand this, you're going to get back this. Okay? Going to get back this. further expand it. Alright, let's just put it here. So equal to 5 plus 2 square will give you 4. Alright, 3 square, 3 times 3 square will give you 9. So we have all over 9. Alright, and know that in mathematics, any time you see a number standing alone, it is assumed that it's all over 1. This is standard, alright? Okay, so come down, break down this x plus 2 all over 3 all squared equals to, now taking the LCM, which is 9. 9 going to 1 is 9. 9 times 5 will give you 45, alright? 9 going to 9 is 1. 1 times 4 will give you 4, plus 4, alright? Now, the next thing, we still break down this x plus 2 all over 3 all squared equals to 45 plus 4 will give you 49. Alright, all over 9. Now, we are going to, at this point, we are going to get rid of this square. And for us to achieve that, we have to square both sides of the equation. Alright, so squaring both sides of the equation. Okay, so squaring both sides of the equation, square root, so we have square root of x plus 2 all over 3 squared, alright, equals to square root of positive negative square root of 49 all over 9. Alright, so at this point, this square and this root will go. Alright, so this is the same thing as square root, same thing as 1 all over 2. Alright, and then this 2. Alright, so it's assumed to be all over 1. So 2 times 1, 1 times 2 give you 2. 2 times 1 give you all over 2. So 2 over 2 is 1. Alright, so on that note, is 1. On that note, this will go. Alright, okay, so we now have x plus 2 all over 3 equal to positive negative. Square root of 49 is 7. Alright, now square root of 9 is 3. So at this point, the value of x, 2 all over 3 have to cross the equality sign. This has to cross the equality sign. So on that, because this is positive here, once it crosses the equality sign, it's going to change to negative. So you have x equal to minus 2 all over 3 positive negative 7 all over 3. Alright, so at this point now, since the base are the same, we have 3 here, we have 3 here. And also one thing you need to note that while solving at this point, your base must be the same. If your base is not the same, just cross check your solving again. Alright, so we have, so we're going to pick one of the 3. Alright, go to mix of the 1. So we have x equal to minus 2 plus minus 7 all over 3. Alright, and remember, quadratic equation always have 2 answers. So we're going to split this now. So we're going to have x equal to minus 2 plus 7 all over 3, or minus 2 minus 7 all over 3. Equal to minus 2 plus 7 will give you plus 5. So you have plus 5 all over 3. Or minus 2 minus 7 will give you minus 9. So you have minus 9 all over 3. Alright, furthermore, you have x equal to 5 all over 3, or 9 divided by 3 minus 9 divided by 3 will give you minus 3. So you have minus 3. So this becomes our final answer. X equals to 5 all over 3, or x equals to minus 3. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.